Hi Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, leave it for a friend. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo dun. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Let us see what are the messages for you. Okay. Delays are over. For some of you, merong mga bagong opportunity na pagkakaabalahan. Creative projects, okay, passion project na sisimulan. Some of you are going for a trip, okay, or travel. A new job, new career. Magkakaroon ng bagong direksyon ang buhay ninyo. May mga things na kailangan ninyong iwan, okay? May kailangan kayong baguhin. You have to review yung situation ninyo. Okay? For some of you, may mga bagong negosyo because you want to improve your life. Okay? New ventures, new business na pagkakaabalahan. Okay? May mga meetings, pag-uusap about sa kaunlaran. Okay? About sa kaperahan, some of you will be receiving a big money. Okay? A reward, incentive, commission, malaking pera. Some of you will be gifted of something valuable or precious. Okay? May bagong buhay na darating sa inyo. This is going to be a new career. Okay? Career advancement. Bagong opportunity na maganda, na mas maganda, Capricorn. Okay? You're living a situation kung saan merong disappointment, magulo, merong confusion, parang walang direksyon, okay? You're living a situation na hindi na maganda para sa'yo, okay? Some of you will be traveling, going abroad. Okay? You will be completing a cycle in your life, okay? Successfully. Bit-bit ang tiwala sa sarili, confidence, okay? You have completed a project successfully. You feel fulfilled. Feeling mo may na-achieve kang something, okay? For some of you will be traveling globally, okay? Kung meron kayong mga projects na inuumpisahan, maybe you are a vlogger, okay? Maybe you will be known globally or internationally. You have completed the difficulties, conflicts, naayos mo, and now, naging successful kayo dyan, natapos nyo ng maayos. Okay. Yes. Meron kang kakayahan para ma-overcome yung mga challenges. Okay? You are manifesting something big. Okay? Nag-iisip ka ng mga iba pang paraan, creative solutions, creative ways on how to improve yourself, how to improve your business, your career. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga projects na hinahawakan or ginagawa, nag-iisip ka ng mas maganda. Okay. You have to take the leadership for you to proceed, okay, further sa ginagawa ninyo. Okay? Use your vision, use your intuition, Capricorn. You are thinking big. Okay? Yeah. So definitely you are birthing a project, a creative project, passion project. For some of you, you are pregnant. Okay? Marami kang kaalaman. Okay? You are also a provider. Marami kang tinutulungan. Okay? Binibigyan ng biyaya, Capricorn. You will be abundant. May darating na karangyaan sa buhay ninyo. Okay? For now, it is not yet revealed. But whatever this is, you have to keep it yourself. Okay? Do not share it so soon. Lalo na pag hindi pa nangyayari. Okay? But something good will come to you. You will be abundant, Capricorn. Okay? People will recognize you. May bagong buhay, bagong direksyon yung buhay ninyo, Capricorn. Okay? It is something promising. And you're living a situation na stagnant. Okay? Walang development. Okay? Because you are pursuing your dreams. You are pursuing your passion. Okay? Yes, merong mga meetings, okay? Merong collaborations na mangyayari. Let us see, ano pa yung mga messages ninyo. Yung lahat ng mga pinaghirapan ninyo, Capricorn, magkakaroon ng magandang resulta. You will be successful. Okay? Yung lahat ng mga pinaghandaan ninyo sa isang business, sa isang project, okay? Now you are ready to launch it. You are ready para makita ng lahat. Okay? Use your intuition. Okay? Maybe for some of you is pursuing a passion pagdating sa spirituality. For some of you have psychic powers or psychic abilities, or some of you are tarot reader. Okay? You will be successful on it. Let's see, ano pa yung mga messages for you? Message, new, or additional message for Capricorn. Throne. Okay, throne, position of authority. Okay, maybe maybe some of you will be you will be promoted. Okay, you will get an important role in a company. You will be a decision maker. Clouds, temporary problems. Okay, may mga challenges, of course, but you will be able to get over it. Lion, time to act. So, do not procrastinate, Capricorn. If there are things na kailangan mong gawin, don't waste time, okay? Kailangan ma-put into actions yung mga plans ninyo. Key, successful outcome to your problems, okay? May mga solusyon sa mga challenges, sa mga problema na kinakaharap ninyo. You will be able to find the key solution for it. Okay? Man, dealings or relationship with a man. For some of you, you are dealing with a man, important na tao. Okay? Or some of you, ito yung magiging susi na problema ninyo or solusyon sa problema ninyo. Yung tao na to is yun yung magbibigay ng tulong sa inyo. Okay, Capricorn? fair woman. Dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. Okay? For some of you, it's a woman that you will be dealing with. Okay? For some of you, this is an important person. Maybe a foreigner. Ibang lahi. Okay? For some of you, you will be developing a relationship with this woman, a foreigner. Okay. Tingnan pa natin kung ano yung message for you. Additional message for Capricorn, please. Additional message for Capricorn. Those difficult times will pass. Nothing bad lasts forever. The sun will shine again. The birds will sing and the clouds will clear. And you will be glad you kept moving forward. You will soon be rewarded for your patience. Hold on. You are far stronger than you think. Okay? So this is the message for you, Capricorn. Brighter days are ahead of you. Just be strong. Listen to your intuition. Okay? So, thank you so much, Capricorn. See you on the next video. Bye!